Laptops need to be charged frequently. Battery drains quickly. I suspect I need to replace my laptop's battery. But before I replace the battery, I want to check the health of the battery. I use a tool called BatteryInfoView. 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 Scroll down to find where to download it. Download BatteryInfoView 64-bit. Close. Show in folder. This is a zip file. Extract all. Extract. BatteryInfoView. Double-click. Run BatteryInfoView. A detailed report on my laptop's battery. Does it need to be replaced? Battery health. 41%. The bad news is that I need to replace my laptop's battery. I recommend replacing your battery when the health is below 70%. Battery below 70%, the battery is likely degraded and may need to be replaced. Thanks for watching.